Banana,
Banana
jamma. Here, Kyle.
Una.
You'll be a banana fan. Who wants to try some of this?
I want to.
Alright, guys.
In front of another tree. What is that?
Don't eat it.
How old was that?
That's been in
We
there.
haven't used that high chair for
Why don't you
months.
spit that out, honey?
I bet it's delicious. What is it? What is it, Kyle?
I think it's
Want
a
to try your
gummy
banana?
bear.
You think it's a gummy bear? Think it's a gummy bear?
I think it's gummy bear.
Oh, I bet it's delicious then. Oh, Kyle's looking for more. It must have been good. Oh, no. Not that good. Month-old? Or maybe 4-month-old? What is it?
Let's mix it.
Oh, my goodness.
Let's mix it.
Oh. Bring tears to your face. Must have been terrible. What was it? Did you see?
I told you not to eat it, honey.
Might have to pump that stomach.
Let's open up again. Let's clean it out. Alright, let's bring it to the sink.
Yeah,
go to the
let's
sink.
just get some water and
Okay.
wash it down. Be good as new.
It's something crunchy.
Stir it over. You know, I'm sure it was crunchy if it's been in there forever. All right. Probably wasn't crunchy 6 months ago.